In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a product URL in Wix. If you're looking to customize your product URLs for better SEO or simply want a more descriptive link, you're in the right place. We'll cover each step in detail to ensure you have a smooth experience. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your Wix dashboard. To do this, head over to www.wix.com. Once you're there, use your credentials to log in. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, you will see a list of websites. Just select the website you want to work on today. Now that we're inside your specific site's dashboard, let's move on to your store products. Look towards the left side of your dashboard. Here you'll find a menu. Click on Store Products, or it might just be labeled Products. This will open up your product catalog where all of your listings are displayed. Next, you need to decide which product you want to update. Scroll through your product catalog until you find the one you wish to edit. Once you've located it, click directly on the product name. This action will take you to the product's detailed settings page where you can make the desired changes. Now it's time to delve into the SEO settings to edit your product URL. Scroll down to the bottom of the product settings page where you'll find the SEO basics section. Within this section, there is a field labeled URL slug. The URL slug is the tail end of your web address that follows your domain name. Let's say your current URL is structured like this: your store.com/product page/my awesome product. The segment after product page, that's what you can change. Update the slug to something more tailored to your preferences, such as custom product name. A few tips here: use only lowercase letters, separate words with hyphens, and keep it short and keyword focused to enhance SEO. Once you're satisfied with your new URL slug, it's important to save your work. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll find a Save button. Click on it to save the changes. After saving, remember to hit Publish Site to ensure your changes go live for everyone to see. That's it. You've successfully changed your product URL in Wix. With these easy steps, you can customize each product URL to better suit your store's branding and SEO requirements. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you navigate your Wix dashboard with ease.